Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to record screen on your Mac Mini. You have to start by click Command-Shift+5 or if you have Windows keyboard, the Windows button replaced Command button, so Windows Shift 5. So let's start Command-Shift+5 and now you have two options, or record entire screen or select some area. So I prefer entire screen. Also you have option, you can choose where you wanna save it. You can also add a timer and the microphone. I haven't any microphone here, but if you have, you can add it here. So now just click here, click on the empty space and it starts to recording. And as you can see, this icon it's located here, so when you recording all what you need, let's say open mail and just recording it, you can finish it by click on this icon. And that's it. Now we can go to Finder and find where we save it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!